Hi, how are ya? So today we will be doing our very own Miss Universe sash. So let's get started, shall we? So to start off, the first thing you notice at a beauty pageant is the sash. So we will be making the sash. I've happened to have found this lying around there somewhere and I was like, this would make a good one. So basically I'm going to, first of all, iron this because it's all, yeah, you see how it is. And then once I'm done ironing it, I'm going to sew the edges so it can look nice and smooth. And then I am going to put these stickers I printed out with the words Miss Universe, and I'm basically just going to paste them onto our sash. What? I don't know why I keep doing these. Yeah. Another alternative to making your sash is you could actually buy a ribbon around this length. You could get it anywhere, I guess, and just skip to the step of pasting your words or even painting them. And yeah, but I found this laying around there and I was like, I'm not gonna waste my material, so might as well make use out of it, right? Look at how satisfying this is. Whoa. Alrighty, now that I am done with this, I am going to get my stickers and I'm going to cut them out so I can stick them to this. So this is the dress we will be wearing today. Anyways though, so we're going to get our sash and put it on. So then you're going to get a pin and just pin them together. Pin it under. And there we go. Miss Universe sash. But we are not done yet. We need something else. A crown. Ta-da! And now we're done. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Life. And well, I will see you next time. And next time I won't be wearing this beautiful dress. Bye bye. Or no, wait, we need to do our Miss Universe wave.